We're at the wilderness. Oh yeah, we at the wilderness.
Yeah, it's fun here.
Okay, we're gonna give you a little tour. Let's go. We're having fun. I skipped school just to go here. I keep that on the down low. If you don't like my colors, too fucking bad.
You should go on the hurricane. It's really
Oh
fun.
my god, you'll love it. Especially if you sit backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't give any more info.
Wait till my sister on it. She started crying.
Hey, yeah, try going on it when it is
Dark out.
8:30 at night. And right now, this is a pretty wilderness. You can't see it. I'll zoom in for you. See? I love this place. I should take one of my best friends here. Oh yeah. What's Crystal Doodle doing? Crystal Doodle?
Yoshi.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's Yoshi?
Will the doors?
He's an alien.
Yeah. Hello, is it Little?
Is that Will there? He's on YouTube. He's gonna be on YouTube.
Try to call my sister.
On his house.
No, I think so.
Okay. We're gonna call Yoshi. I'm holding. I got it. Dude, it's kind of fun holding the camera like this. Oop, gotta take that off. 745, 74. Sorry, if you want his number.
If you want his number, too bad you can't hear it.
Okay, his phone's off. We are about to give you a world tour of the game room. We should just give a tour of the whole hotel.
Hell yeah. The water park too.
I don't care.
The game.
Open the door. Welcome to the arcade. Oh yeah, pull it.
Unless it's Thomas is talking to the bitch.
Yeah, this is the game room. And over there is a restaurant. My favorite game is DDR. I saw my name on there. You guys see that Guitar Hero? I need people that love Pac-Man and GDR. Crystal, what's your favorite game? Oh fuck yeah!